Are you a student, a working professional, or an enthusiast? This video is going to be life-changing for just about anyone who wants to learn something. Hi guys, my name is Yash. My goal is to help you level up in life and become a better version of yourself. Do you ever try to learn something new, like learning how to code or how to play the guitar, but find it too difficult and time-consuming? Or even boring? In this video, I'm going to tell you about 2 brain hacks using which you will master learning anything and also enjoy the process. I'm also going to tell you exactly how you can implement these brain hacks. So make sure you stay till the very end. So first, let's talk about the Richard Feynman technique. Teach others. Also known as the Great Explainer, Richard Feynman was known for his ability to explain complex and dense topics like quantum physics to virtually anybody in simple and intuitive ways. He also won the Nobel Prize for his work in quantum mechanics. Pretty sure most of us have heard this before, that teach others and you'll understand better. So this is something that even I've come across a bunch of times, but until recently even I didn't know why this works and how exactly I can make the most out of it. Now that I've figured it out, I want to share the same with you. According to Feynman, the true hallmark of genius is the ability to explain what you've learned in the simplest of ways. In fact, so simple that even an 8-year-old can understand it. That is when we know that you've completely grasped the concept. You must have heard this quote before. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. So how exactly does it work? When you have to teach something that you've learned, it challenges your understanding and forces you to think better. You can use these techniques to practically learn anything. If you use these 2 tricks together, you will master anything faster. And that rhymed. And you will become smarter. If you have no one to teach to, no problem. I'll tell you how you can work that out. You can simply enact teaching someone. Think of how you would teach it to someone who has no idea about the topic. Or even better, whatever you're trying to learn, you can teach that to other people who might be needing it, like I am doing right now. On YouTube. It doesn't always have to be on YouTube. You could start a blog, you could start a podcast. Anything works. And you're adding value to other people at the same time. So real people are going to be watching you, learning from you. So you also make sure you're giving your best, you'll understand the concept in the best way possible and then explain it. Just like what I'm doing right now. And that's why I always say this, let's level up together. Now let's talk about the second technique that is given by Albert Einstein. Learn to enjoy the learning process. According to Einstein and according to research, improving your intellectual capacity should be fun and enjoyable. Happy learners are quick learners. But here's the tricky part. You might not naturally like what you're learning every single time, especially when it's learning something that you have to learn, not want to learn. But trust me, it won't be so hard to learn and have fun at the same time. I'll tell you how. We'll get to it. To learn anything faster or better, choose topics you will enjoy. That is, if you have control over what you are learning. You should be able to answer this question at any point. Why am I learning this? If you have to learn something as a requirement to accelerate your career, use strategies that can make the process enjoyable. For example, if learning how to code does not sound fun to you, use the process to build something you care about. That way, it'll be fun and meaningful to you. You can connect your actions with progress. So you track your progress and visualize it. I am preparing for CAT right now. And I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking coaching, but other than that, for my own satisfaction, the extra work that I'm putting in, for that what I do right now is I've created a study plan and I have daily targets. If tomorrow's target is completing 2 topics, understanding the concept completely and solving 15 problems each. If I complete that tomorrow, that will give me so much happiness. And the next day again I will chase my next day's target. You see, this whole process is going to be something rewarding for me because progress itself is inherently rewarding. So next time you choose to learn anything, find a fun way to do it or derive fun out of it by setting targets and achieving those targets on a daily basis. And that is how, my friends, you enjoy the process of learning. Now I highly recommend you use both of these techniques together because learning anything faster can give you a greater edge in career and make you more competitive. This way you learn faster, retain more, and maybe even become the smartest person in the room. Now for those of you who have made it so far, I have a bonus for you. Another great example of how to enjoy the learning process. Before I attend any class, I enjoy being prepared for the class. It makes me happy to already have a good idea of what the teacher is teaching and to be able to answer all the questions in class. Try it. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope this added value to you. And as always, if it added any value to you, please do drop a thumbs up. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comment section below. What skills do you want to learn using these techniques? And how do you make your learning process fun and enjoyable? I hope you're doing well. Stay tuned, there are more videos coming up. I'll see you in the next one.